If you want next-level explosiveness, game-breaking speed, and athletic power that actually transfers to any sport, plyometrics are non-negotiable. In today's video, I'm breaking down the only 4 plyometric exercises you'll ever need. And make sure you watch till the end, because the final move I'll be sharing is a total game changer that you definitely don't want to miss. Alright, let's kick things off with the box jumps. Box jumps are where athleticism stops being theoretical and starts becoming visible. This is the moment strength turns into usable power. When you jump onto a box, your muscles, tendons, and nervous system are forced to work together in perfect timing. The legs load like springs, store elastic energy, and then release it instantly. Exactly how sprinting, jumping, tackling, and cutting actually happen in sports. Box jumps improve your rate of force development, meaning how fast you can produce power, not just how much power you have. That's why a lighter athlete with explosive ability often outperforms a stronger but slower one. Over time, box jumps strengthen tendons, sharpen coordination, and improve landing mechanics, teaching your body how to absorb force safely instead of collapsing under it. This carries over to reduced injury risk and better movement efficiency. Mentally, box jumps build confidence and intent. You either commit fully or gravity humbles you immediately. Each successful jump rewires your brain to trust explosive movement. Athletes who jump well tend to run, cut, and react better because the nervous system learns speed without panic. Beyond raw power, box jumps train posture, stiffness, and rhythm, key qualities for transferring force efficiently through the ground. They also expose asymmetries and weaknesses early, allowing athletes to address issues before they turn into performance limits or injuries. To execute the box jump, start with a conservative box height. Preload with a quick dip, swing your arms aggressively, explode upward, land softly with knees aligned, stay tall on top, and always step down to protect your joints. I've also designed an incredible plyometric workout plan to help you achieve your goals even faster, and I'll walk you through it at the end of the video, so be sure to stick around till the very end. Moving on to our next exercise, we got the clap push-ups. Clap push-ups are where the upper body learns to move with violence and precision. Politely speaking, this exercise trains explosive pushing strength, shoulder stability, and core integration all at once. Unlike slow push-ups that build endurance, clap push-ups teach your muscles to fire fast and hard, which is exactly how throwing, blocking, striking, and sprint arm drive work. The moment your hands leave the ground, your nervous system is forced to coordinate tension from head to toe. Your core must brace, your shoulders must stabilize, and your arms must explode, all in a fraction of a second. This builds reactive strength, meaning the ability to absorb force and immediately reapply it. Over time, clap push-ups make your upper body feel snappy, responsive, and athletic, rather than stiff. They also expose weaknesses instantly. Poor shoulder control, weak core engagement, or sloppy mechanics show up immediately. That honesty is what makes them elite. Mentally, there's a slight fear factor, and overcoming it builds aggression and confidence under speed. From a performance standpoint, clap push-ups improve shoulder joint integrity by teaching the body to manage force dynamically rather than passively. They reinforce proper scapular movement, improve arm speed, and enhance the ability to transfer power through the torso instead of leaking it at the shoulders or lower back. This makes upper body actions more efficient, repeatable, and resilient during high-intensity play. To perform this exercise correctly, keep a straight body line, brace the core before lowering, control the descent, explode upward with full intent, clap quickly, land softly with elbows bent, reset tension, and repeat without rushing. By the way, friends, if your goal is to build muscle, get stronger, and stay lean while training explosively, I've put together workout and nutrition guides that lay out the full process step by step. They will help you support this kind of training the right way. Link is in the description. Now imagine trying to stay explosive when your heart rate is screaming at you. That's exactly the situation mountain climbers throw you into. Mountain climbers are the drill that teaches your body to stay sharp while everything feels rushed. They train speed, coordination, and conditioning simultaneously, forcing your hips, core, shoulders, and cardiovascular system to synchronize under fatigue. This mirrors real sport situations, late game sprints, defensive recoveries, scrambles, and transitions when breathing becomes chaotic. Mountain climbers improve hip flexor strength, trunk stability, shoulder endurance, and rhythmic movement patterns. Because the limbs alternate rapidly, they reinforce coordination and posture while demanding constant core engagement. They also teach you how to maintain form under fatigue, which is one of the biggest performance separators in competition. Athletes who can move cleanly when tired are dangerous. Mountain climbers also train mental discipline. You learn to control breathing, stay relaxed, and move efficiently instead of tensing up. Over time, they build work capacity without sacrificing speed. What makes mountain climbers truly valuable is their ability to blend aerobic and anaerobic demands in a single movement. Your heart rate climbs rapidly, yet your nervous system still has to fire clean, alternating patterns without breakdown. This teaches the body to recover on the move instead of needing full rest. The shoulders and arms act as stabilizers, strengthening endurance in positions that resemble pushing, bracing, and ground contact found in many sports. Meanwhile, the hips learn to cycle quickly while staying under control, improving stride turnover and reducing wasted motion. Because the movement is closed chain, forces travel through the hands, shoulders, core, and hips as one connected system. Any weakness shows up fast. That feedback builds resilience and efficiency. Over time, mountain climbers improve pacing awareness, breathing control, and the ability to stay explosive even when fatigue is high. Exactly what separates average athletes from reliable closers in competition. Here's how to do the mountain climbers. Hands under shoulders, core tight like a plank, hips low, knees driving fast but controlled, light foot contact, steady breathing, and consistent rhythm. Now, let's move on to an exercise that combines everything you love and hate about training. Enter the mighty burpee. Burpees are the ultimate reality check. They demand power, coordination, conditioning, and mental toughness all at once. Every rep forces your body to move through multiple levels, standing, ground, and back, while maintaining speed and control. This directly transfers to sports that involve contact, transitions, falls, and rapid recoveries. Burpees train explosive hip extension through the jump, upper body endurance through the push, and cardiovascular resilience through continuous effort. They also teach your nervous system how to stay organized under stress, which is critical in chaotic game situations. The beauty of burpees is their honesty. You can't fake conditioning, and you can't hide weaknesses. Over time, they improve anaerobic capacity, movement efficiency, and resilience. Mentally, burpees harden you. They teach you to keep moving, even when your body wants negotiations. What makes burpees so powerful is their full system demand. Your muscles, lungs, and nervous system are all taxed simultaneously, forcing the body to prioritize efficiency over brute force. Poor mechanics quickly become expensive, teaching athletes to move cleanly even under extreme fatigue. The rapid transition from horizontal to vertical positions challenges balance and spatial awareness, skills that matter when getting up quickly after contact or reacting to unpredictable play. Burpees also reinforce rhythm and breathing under pressure, helping athletes avoid panic when heart rate spikes. Because the movement is cyclical and continuous, it builds repeat effort ability, the capacity to produce power again and again with minimal drop-off. Over time, this translates to better late-game performance, faster recoveries between sprints, and greater durability across long competitions. Few exercises test willpower like burpees, and that psychological edge often separates athletes who endure from those who dominate. To do burpees, squat down smoothly, Kick back into a strong plank. Keep the core tight, just to the floor if possible. Snap feet back under hips. Explode upward into a jump, and reset quickly without rushing. Now, as I promised earlier, let's connect all this into a simple, ruthless plan that builds athleticism without confusion. Train 3 days per week on non-consecutive days to allow full recovery and nervous system freshness. Each session starts with box jumps for 4 to 5 sets of 3 to 5 reps, resting fully to keep power maximal. Follow with clap push-ups for 4 sets of 5 to 8 reps, focusing on speed and clean landings. Next, perform mountain climbers for 3 to 4 rounds of 30 to 45 seconds, maintaining posture and rhythm. Finish with burpees for 3 to 4 sets of 6 to 12 reps, performed powerfully rather than rushed. On the 3rd weekly session, slightly reduce volume but increase intent, treating it as a speed-dominant day.